Hmm. You look so forlorn.
Can't believe I'm gonna do this. Are you recording?
I am.
Okay. Here are my
Say
fingers.
hello.
There's 3 jalapeno seeds.
Hello, jalapeno seeds.
I'm going to attempt to eat all 3 of these at the same time. I have 3 packets of sugar and water and coffee. I'm ready to try this.
Put your cowboy hat on.
I'm tough, I can do this. Even though I choked on one.
Didn't know that this would actually make me sick. Did you really do it? Show your tongue. Nice. How's that feel? One pack of sugar. Need some cream? Need some more? It's almost as good as when Ed ate the lemon. Do it. Just what you need. More sugar.